Are you constantly struggling to keep up with the ever-growing volume of research papers? Do you find yourself spending hours searching for references, rereading lengthy documents, or trying to distill complex information into manageable summaries? If so, then Scholarcy might just be the solution you've been searching for. Whether you're a seasoned academic researcher, a policy analyst navigating through stacks of reports, a journalist on a tight deadline, a dedicated student juggling multiple readings, or a librarian striving to enhance the research experience for others, Scholarcy is designed to streamline your workflow and make your life easier. For academic researchers, Scholarcy helps in staying abreast of the latest research trends, extracting key insights from papers, and even assisting in getting your own research published amidst your other commitments. Policy researchers benefit from Scholarcy by efficiently condensing vast amounts of information into concise reports and briefs, ensuring thorough and accurate analysis every time. Journalists can save valuable time by speed reading through reports and papers to extract essential facts, quotes, and summaries, while ensuring they reference the most reliable sources for their articles. Students can stay organized with Scholarcy, keeping track of recommended readings, notes, and highlights, thus managing essay deadlines and exam preparations more effectively. Librarians can enhance the research experience for their users, catering to specific learning needs and maintaining high standards of information literacy within their institution. In essence, Scholarcy serves as your virtual research assistant, aiding you in navigating the complex world of academic and professional research with ease and efficiency. So why not give Scholarcy a try today? Sign up for a test drive and experience firsthand how it can revolutionize your research process. Whether you're in academia, government, business, or any other field requiring in-depth research, Scholarcy is here to help you succeed.